If you want to create another amorous feeling in your modern kitchen, then adding a little bit more vintage element into it. Building the cooking bench with a new brick backdrop, placing bronze lamps and lanterns without luster, or hanging ancient oil paintings, these changeable series can make you experience the vintage style. Imagining this amazing combination, the wonderful smells of your modern cuisines continually waft through the ancient feeling air. This would provide you another different culinary art and surprise, without losing any sense of elegance. Have a try this hottest trend, check out the ideas from the collection, and change your cuisine daily style from this simple aspect of vintage element.